Hello friends, this is Jignesh Rathod. In this video, we will discuss about air refrigeration system. So air refrigeration system, the term itself indicates over here we are utilizing air as a working fluid or working medium, or you may consider air as a refrigerant. So this system basically operates on reverse Carnot cycle or reverse Joule cycle, and it is more commonly referred as Bell-Coleman cycle. Now, if we will see advantages of air as a refrigerant, as we know it is available in nature, in atmosphere, free of cost, and there would not be any issue of leakage. Even if there is leakage, it will not cause any problem or any trouble. While if we will consider other refrigerant, other vapor refrigerant, we need to handle it very carefully. Now, disadvantages of air as a refrigerant. Thermodynamically, air is poor refrigerant. It has not better thermodynamic properties compared to vapor refrigerant. So it has limited application. Recently, we are mainly utilizing vapor refrigerant compared to air refrigerant, but it has limited application. It can be used in cooling of aircraft and cargo ships. Now, if we will discuss the working of air refrigeration system, this is the schematic and this is the PV diagram of Bell-Coleman cycle. Over here, in this case, air is taken from the atmosphere at point number 1 to the compressor, and air gets compressed within the compressor. Now, so this is process 1 to 2. Now, if we will parallelly discuss the PV diagram of Bell-Coleman cycle, this is the 1 to 2 process, and over here compression is done in a reversible adiabatic, or you may say in an isentropic manner. So 1 to 2, since it is compression, volume of air gets decrease and pressure and temperature both will increase. So at point number 2, air is having higher pressure and temperature. Now then that high pressure, high temperature air passes to cooler. Within the cooler, it gets cooled down at constant pressure. So since it is cooling at constant pressure, volume gets decreased and temperature also decreases. And then after that theoretically at point 3, temperature would be close to atmospheric temperature, and theoretically, and then it passes to that air passes to expander, and again over here also 3 to 4 process is also done in an reversible adiabatic, or you may say in an isentropic manner, but this is expansion. Since it is expansion, 3 to 4, since it is expansion, volume increases and pressure and temperature both will decrease, and at point number 4, the temperature of air would be lesser as compared to whatever the temperature that we want to have in refrigerated space. Okay, so at point number 4, then that air passes to evaporator. So it gets so the refrigerant absorbs the heat from the space that is to be cooled at constant pressure, and its temperature increases. So again, that 4 to 1 is constant pressure process. So in this case, 2 processes are reversible adiabatic or isentropic, that is compression and expansion, and remaining 2 are constant pressure process. One is in evaporator and another is in cooler. And to improve the efficiency, both these expander and compressor are coupled on the same shaft. So whatever the work that has been produced by the expander, we can supply it to the compressor to run the compression. So this is about working of air refrigeration system. Now if we will discuss advantages of air refrigeration system, as we have discussed earlier, air is cheaper refrigerant and it is easily available in atmosphere compared to other refrigerant, and there is no danger of fire or toxic effect due to leakage. And another advantage is what? The total weight of system per ton of refrigerated capacity is less. Now next we'll discuss about disadvantages of air refrigeration system. So first disadvantage is the quantity of air required per ton of refrigerated capacity is far greater than the other system. So over here we need larger quantity for same refrigeration effect. And coefficient of performance is low of this system compared to other, and it needs larger maintenance compared to other. And if and whatever the air that we are taking to the system, that always in moist condition. So the danger of frosting at the expander valve is more compared to other system. So these are the main disadvantages of air refrigeration system. Thank you.